Hello, AmbitionX family. Today we are going to discuss very important topic that is resume building. Nowadays, everybody doing it wrong because they want to get the job. They want to submit the application as many jobs as they can. In this hurry, what they are doing is they are submitting the same resume to every job application. Let's be honest, we have all done this at some point of time. Even myself also, I have submitted multiple job applications with the same resume, so I did not get a proper response. Not only the proper, I did not get a response at all. Seriously, it's my personal experience as well. So every day I used to sit and submit the job application with the same resume, apply like this. But it is not the right practice, and also it will not give you any response from the hiring team. Why? Because most of the companies now using ATS filtering. So they will be adding some most important keywords which are relevant to the job position, and they are filtering those keywords are available in your resume or not. So you find a few job openings, attach the same old resume and hit apply. That is what you will do, right? So no. So here the problem is every job posting is different. Of course, you are applying for the Salesforce developer role only. Let's take an example. So you have seen in multiple companies Salesforce developer position. But the thing is everyone will not post same kind of job description. If you compare the job descriptions with those companies, you will understand what they are adding exactly in the developer position. But because of course whatever that you do in those companies is same. You'll write the code, you will do the testing, you will do the deployment, everything will be the same. But when it comes to the responsibilities and the job description is different company to company. So your resume should be also modified as per the job description that you are going to apply for that company. So because the hiring team nowadays AI is anywhere. So HR team is also utilizing the AI, okay, and also the ADA system. It is scanning for specific skills and keywords that match their job description. It should not be a generic list of experiences. You have to provide the quality of your work, not the quantity. So what I have to do? Next question is from you, right? So I'm here to explain you. I definitely will give you the proper solution for this one. Before that, I'm requesting you please subscribe to my channel in order to get similar kind of videos, not only related to the resume modification and everything which are relevant for you, which will motivate you, which will inspire you, different type of stories from the experienced persons and also from the freshers. What are the challenges that they are taking? Everything I'm gonna create some videos and share it with you. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like it and add your comments and also share this video. Okay, let's jump on to the topic. What you should be doing instead. So instead of submitting same resume for the multiple companies, what you have to do, right? First thing you have to do is customize your resume for each role. Let's take an example: Salesforce developer, Salesforce consultant, Salesforce tech lead, Salesforce project manager, Salesforce architect, solution architect, technical architect. So we have multiple roles. So you have the experience that you can work on these multiple roles as well, right? In one company you applied for the Salesforce developer position, in another company you applied for the Salesforce senior developer position, and in the third company you want to apply for the Salesforce technical lead. There may be a chance, right? If you already have the 5+ years of experience as a Salesforce developer, then you can become a technical lead as well. So please go through the job description, understand understand what are the key skills that they are looking for, and also what are the keywords that they have used, because some of the job descriptions they are highlighting the important skills in bold letters, right? Few are normally copy pasting it with simple words. In that normal description also you can find the specific skills that they are looking for. So what you have to do is pick those highlighted skill set keywords and keep them into your resume. Let's take an example. Job description. Initially, it will tell about the role. First thing, in that about the role, they will clearly mention your day-to-day tasks, what you have to do, what they are expecting from you, and how they want to upskill yourself. Because few of the companies definitely ask you to upskill yourself depending on the demands of the job and also the projects that they are getting into the company. About the role should match your career objective or professional summary. That means I did not suggest you just copy and paste it in your resume. Modify it accordingly by adding your relevant experience. For example, let's say you have 5+ years of experience as a Salesforce senior developer, and you have worked on multiple clouds and with the multiple domains as well. Okay, and also you have developed multiple custom LWC components and worked on Apex triggers and created Apex classes as well, test classes. Like this, you have this kind of experience. And about the role also, they mention we are looking for a candidate who can able to build the customized applications by utilizing the Apex LWC, or simply they'll write Latin components, etc. So what you have to do is pick those keywords like LWC components, Apex, and multiple triggers, right? And also the domains they will mention. Man who worked in the manufacturing industry will be give the preferences. So mention that domain as well in your resume in the career objective that you have worked in. Yes, I have worked for a manufacturing company and I have built the custom components utilizing the LWC, right? Like that, you have to modify your career objective or professional summary as per the about the role description that they mentioned. So it will give them an impression by just simply reading that. It will take almost 6 to 10 seconds in order to scroll that. So ATS will pick the keywords like Apex, LWC, manufacturing domain, and sales cloud or service cloud, something like that. It will pick. Then your resume will be get filtered for that role. Yes, this profile will match, right? So what I suggest you is try to understand the role description and make it as your career objective or professional summary. And I suggest you do not write more than 5 sentences. Sorry, 5 lines. Do not write more than 5 lines in the resume for the professional summary. Because when the ATS starts reading, it will take some time in order to go through your resume. If you wrote, if you write 10 lines or 15 lines, so ATS will read only the summary and will not be able to go through your experiences as well. So try to make your sections, the professional summary or experiences, skills, certifications, all these things readable in few seconds. Keep that in mind. Next one, coming to the experiences. In the experiences also, you can add, of course, you have worked with multiple companies as a junior developer, next as a senior developer or a technical lead, something like that. Then what you have to do is in the roles and responsibilities, once they have given the about the role section, they will give you the roles and responsibilities. In that roles and responsibilities, pick the keywords and points that they have mentioned in the description, right? That is, let's take an example. In the roles and responsibilities, they mentioned it as uh, just I will read. So 6+ years of a program management experience in B2B SaaS or information technology, including direct with the customer success, sales, product, or BU leadership. So this is one point that they mentioned. This is for another, like senior as a business analyst role. I am taking an example from that. 6 plus is a program management experience in B2B SaaS or information technology business, including direct work with the customer success, sales, product, leadership teams. That is what they mentioned. So if you already have this kind of experience, because you already worked as a 5 plus years in the management experience, let's take an example. So you can utilize these keywords. Yes, I have experience more than 6 plus in SaaS, because you already worked in the Salesforce CRM, right? So in SaaS, I worked. It comes to the information technology only, I think. Direct with the customer success. That means if you are a business analyst, you will directly speak with the stakeholders and also the internal team as well. If you are a developer, you will be collaborating with the leadership team as well. That means the project manager you are coordinating, and also you will be discussing with the solution architect or a technical architect, right? And also you will be speaking with the business analyst or a product owner. So you have the collaboration, right? So that experience will help you to keep under the experience section. So read the rules and responsibilities, add those keywords, the sentences. You can rephrase that sentences as well and keep them in your experience. And don't forget to add the quantities. They will not give in the roles and responsibilities, they will not give you any quantifiable numbers, right? Because it's just a description. They want to have the skills and everything. But by adding the quantity also, it will show them, okay, you are the perfect candidate for this job, right? So I suggest you try to take the sentences from the roles and responsibilities and add it in your experiences along with the metrics, that is quantifying them. Okay. And they will also nice to have section they will give. In this nice to have section, if you already done any certifications, add them under the certification section. So it will be a plus for your profile, so that you will stand out from the bunch of resumes. And also try to add whatever the external activities that you are doing, whether you are mentoring some other people, or you are volunteering any other organization with your work, or you are taking classes, right, corporate training, or taking other classes as well, or you are working on a some other things, technologies also, right, like Power BI or data management related things, data engineering related things. And also don't forget to include AI as well, because nowadays AI is a very big thing for everyone. So if you know the basics of the AI, please mention that one also, right? In this way, if you modify your resume, then definitely ATS will pick your resume, and hiring team also will have a good impression that yes, this resume will stand out among all the applicants, and they will definitely call you for the further rounds. And apply only when it truly fits for you. If you are not confident that you are not able to manage the job, do not apply for the job. Why? Because some people are doing their career transition. At the time, they want to apply for their role, what they want to do. Let's take an example. Um, a person who already working as a consultant, he want to become an architect, right? He already working as a consultant, he has some experience, he closely worked with the solution architect team and also the technical architect team, so he has some idea what they are doing. So he want to become an architect. So whenever he is doing the career transition, he try to apply for those kind of roles. But my suggestion is, if you are confident enough, then only apply for the role. Because though you have modified your resume and you went to the first round of technical interview, there you will face the problem, because they will ask you scenario based questions, right? So if you are able to understand and give them proper solutions, I mean proper answers, then only. And also interview you can manage by preparing yourself, but once you join the job, there it comes. Because for architects, most of the companies will not give you any personal or professional training. You have to upskill yourself. You need to learn what architects are doing. So whenever you join the company as an architect, if it's a career transition period, then you have to work with the internal teams and understand what they are doing, and you have to manage your job as well. If you have any doubts, open up and ask, okay, this situation I have not faced. I want to understand what we can do in this kind of situation. If you are able to manage, then apply. If not, do not apply for those roles. So here the important points that you have to keep in your mind. First thing is customize your resume as per the job description that you are applying, and add the quant give the quality resume, and also it's a quantifiable both. It should be a quality and also quantifiable. And the third thing is add your extra curricular activities, whatever you are doing beyond your job role, like volunteering, training, mentoring, like those things. Okay. And also add AI to your resume. If you know the basics as well, try to add them. Okay. And one more thing, I have already created one video how you can utilize the AI smart tools in order to modify your resume. I'll be also creating a separate video where we can utilize the AI tools in order to update your resume. So you can rewrite the bullet points using job specific keywords, and also quantify the achievements for stronger impact. Once you give the figure, it will automatically give you the sentence, right? And format the resume for ATS optimization. So it will also do it. How you can do it? What type of tools that you can utilize in order to write a proper resume? Okay, because you need to impress the ATS first and also the hiring team. You need to tell your career story, which will relevant to the job description, not just your duties. Okay. And also you have to make the resume as a mirror, that is copy of the job description, and keep it clear, focused, and it should be a impact driven one. Okay. Why? Because your resume should shout out that I'm the one you have been looking for. Okay. Like that you have to prepare your resume. I'll be doing another video by utilizing the smart AI tools, how you can modify your resume. I will upload it for you soon. So please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, like, and also add a comments what type of videos that you are expecting from me. Thank you guys.